Hello, in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix screen flickering on your Samsung Galaxy S11 Ultra, Tab S11 Ultra. Okay, so to begin, go to the settings and go to the display. Now, first of all, you can adjust the brightness so there's less flickering. Just adjust it to a level that makes everything look great. Now, also make sure that if the problem still occurs, to disable adaptive brightness. It may fix some of the issues. Now, also, you should try downloading. If this didn't help, try downloading Screen Dimmer app from the Play Store. So let's go to Play Store. I'm gonna go through all of that. Okay, now we can go to search and find Screen Dimmer. Now I'm gonna select this one because I know this app. Let's download it and let's open it. Now we're gonna do a few things here. Let's grant permission, allow permission, go back, go further, grant permission. Now I forgot what the permission was for. So in accessibility settings, to update the overlay when you rotate. Okay, so in accessibility settings there will be installed apps, Screen Dimmer, and turn it on, then allow and go back. Now the permission was granted. Also add the notification permission so you can adjust the DC dimmer. And now when I enable it, the screen will be dimmed a little bit. You can of course adjust it, how much dimmed it'll be, as you can see. But of course, like it should fix some issues, I believe. Then also you'll have the notification about it here, so you can adjust it within the notification, I believe. Not really sure. No, you can't. You can disable. No, you can screenshot it. For whatever reason, you can screenshot it. Okay, but we can click on the notification at least. No, it's just a notification that somehow doesn't work perfectly. Okay, but we have the screen dimmer at least, so we can use it. And if you dim the screen a little bit, then turn the brightness up, then it should be working a bit better. That's what I hope will happen. And if this didn't help, then check for software updates on your tablet by going to settings, software update, download and install. And if there's any update available, try installing it, so it may fix some issues that there may be related to the software. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.